Hey there, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the crucial steps you should take immediately after installing the latest iOS 17.3. So, grab your device and let's dive in. First, let's ensure your carrier settings are up to date. These settings are vital for a smooth connection and optimal performance. Head over to your Settings app, click on About. If there's an update available, iOS usually handles this automatically. It's always a good idea to double-check for the latest enhancements and improvements. Now, let's talk about keeping your apps up to date. App updates not only bring new features, but also address any potential bugs or security vulnerabilities. Open the App Store, go to your profile picture, and find the available update section. Here you can see that I don't have updates. If you have it, tap Update All to ensure you have the latest versions of your apps for the best performance and security. Moving on, let's address potential Wi-Fi issues. If you're experiencing connectivity problems, reconnecting to your Wi-Fi networks might do the trick. Navigate to your settings, tap Wi-Fi, select your network, and tap Forget this network. Then, reconnect by entering your password. If the issue persists, consider resetting your Wi-Fi settings in the General section under Transfer or Reset iPhone. Keep in mind that this action will delete all network-related settings. So make sure to have your Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configurations on hand before proceeding. Now, let's check on your battery health. A healthy battery is crucial for your device's overall performance and longevity. Go to Settings, tap on Battery, and then select Battery Health and Charging. Here, you can check your battery's maximum capacity and performance management. If your battery's health is below optimal, you might want to consider getting a battery replacement to ensure your device runs smoothly. By following these steps, you're not only ensuring that your device is running on the latest carrier settings and app versions, but also addressing potential Wi-Fi issues and checking on your battery health. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.